everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a great day. Thank you so much for being here and watching. I am having a great evening because I just found out my computer is fixed and it was covered under warranty, so I didn't have to pay anything. So I'm so happy. And we have some good subscription boxes to open today. So I have My Paper Box, and I have both the My Paper Box Mini and the My Paper Box Grand Box. Before we get into the subscription, talk about it, unboxing it, I just want to let you guys all know I do have 3 giveaways going on our channel. If you haven't entered, those are always linked down below, and there are a bunch of different types of giveaways actually. There's one for some money off sunglasses, for some makeup, and for some books. So definitely check those out. But now let's get back to My Paper Box. So My Paper Box is a personalized stationery subscription, and it is seriously the cutest. I've been getting it for a while. And obviously they have 2 different subscription options because I have 2 in front of me. So the My Paper Box Mini is $10 per month, or with either of these actually, you can choose to get your My Paper Box bi-monthly, which I think is an amazing thing because if you don't use up all the things that come in here, getting it less frequently not only saves you money, but then you have less clutter. And I think bi-monthly subscriptions are a great idea. So yeah, so that is $10 in My Paper Box Mini. And inside that one you get 3 personalized notepads. And then in the grand subscription it is $28 and you get a bunch of different things. It's super cute. So every month is different, so we'll see what's in the grand subscription now. I do have a promo code that can save you some money off the grand subscription, so I will link that down below. But anyways, let's get started. Let's start with the mini one. So the grand box comes earlier in the month. Sometimes it even comes in the month prior, like the end of the other month. So this is October's box. I think I got it at the very end of September or like the 1st of October. But I open these together, so I wait till the mini comes, and the mini comes like the 1st week of the month. So definitely on theme with October. We've got some ghosts, so super cute. Maybe one that's bigger than usual in here. So it says, happy birthday to us. Oh yeah, I think this is their birthday month. They've been around for 1 year now. So let's see what that says. So here's that little thing that reminded me it's their birthday. And on the back it says, you're invited to our digital birthday party. Happy October, our 1-year anniversary. I hope everyone has a spooky month. Our gift to you as a subscriber is 50% off your order of one-off products. Use code 1YEAR. Or 20% off subscriptions for your friends. Use code 1YEARFRIENDS. Okay, so I'll leave that down below too. And that's for the entire month of October. And look, it's like a cat ghost. How cute. And then here are the 3 notepads. One's super big and I'm really excited about it. But let's start with the one that's on top. Oh my god, this is like the cutest. It says kitty, magic spells, charms, and potions. And then look, there's a little kitty like making potions there. This is so cute. By the way, I'm looking at my viewfinder. It seems like the lighting is kind of off in here. It's because I'm filming later than usual, so sorry about that. Maybe I could adjust it, but. The next one says, kitty say boo and scary on. And then there's a ghost right there with a little basket. These are so cute. So they're personalized because they all say kitty. And then this one I am so excited about. This might be the best thing we've ever gotten. This is where the magic starts, and then it's like a monthly calendar. So it has the calendar over here. Oh, and then it says you're my boo. So there's a monthly calendar, there's like a checklist, and then there's a Sunday through Saturday, and you can like write the month up there, and it says kitty. Okay, I'm gonna show you this side first. This is awesome. This will be a great way to plan. Oh man, there's a lot of sheets. There's definitely more than 12 in here, it seems. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna use this, I think, as like a draft for like planning my videos every month, or even like you can do like my workouts on another one. This is so awesome. I love this. This is my favorite notepad we've ever gotten. I'm gonna use this all the time. It's big, but you can just like leave this right on your desk. So you got this, and then the 2 smaller notepads are both adorable in the mini box. So all that for $10. But you can get it for 20% off this month if you want with 1YEARFRIENDS. I'll definitely link that down below. But let's move on to the grand subscription, and even the outside of the grand subscription is personalized. So the back of it has stuff on it too. Super cute. So let's get this one open. So there is another card in here that talks about all the birthday sales and stuff, and this is so funny. It says if you got it, haunt it. And then all the items are underneath the tissue paper. And then what's happening in October. Happy October, our 1-year anniversary. I hope everyone has a spooky month. Our theme for this month, if you got it, haunt it. This month you will find a fun take on a wedding card, 2 Halloween cards, card making materials, a set of fine line markers, 2 fun cards to color and decorate, and cool Halloween stickers, a personalized pencil bag to hold everything, a set of your party day invitations, see October 11th, Halloween themed notepad and journal, and October month calendar. And then every month, this is like amazing, I love this. They give you all of the holidays for the month, they give you like a description of it, and then also like a way to celebrate it. So what is today? Today is the 10th. Today is Handbag Day. It says go out and get that high-end handbag you've been eyeing this whole year. Is your handbag a place where things go in to get lost? Perhaps today is the time to clean it out and organize it. Did you know that in the early 1900s, handbag was a term used to refer to men's hand baggage? No, I did not. But October 11th is It's My Party Day. Awesome. So again, you get the grand box early in the month, like, or before the month, so you could actually celebrate all of these. I just show it to you a little later, again, because I open it with the mini. Oh, here's that pencil case that says Kitty, if you got it, haunt it. I think that's so cute. It has a zipper. You can just put, you know, use it as a pencil bag or use it as makeup bag. You can use your bag however you want to, but that is so cute. And then here is the little calendar for the month, and when you first subscribe, you'll get a little frame that you can put your card in, so that is super great. So it has the month on here, it has the theme if you got it, flaunt it, and then it has all of the holidays. So I'm just like taking a peek at this. It looks like there's an I Love Lucy Day coming up. Interesting. International Skeptics Day. Wear Something Gaudy Day, Internet Day. Oh my god, there's like pretty much a day for everything. And then of course October 31st is Halloween. So I'm gonna put this in my frame. It's super convenient, awesome. And then here's some stickers. One says Kitty, Kitty, Kitty. They all say Kitty on them. Here what these two look like. Super cute. And then there's a notepad here. This looks like the front of the box. Ooh, look, there's like a skeleton holding a martini glass. Yeah, that's my kind of skeleton, yes. And then it's like a lined notebook. You can use this however you want. And there's like the skeleton imprints in the back. Super cute. A notebook. And then here's a notepad. It says Kitty, and again, if you got it, haunt it. And then here are some cards. It says Happy Halloween, handmade by Kitty, super cute. The inside is blank, so you can just write whatever you want in there. And then the next one says Trick or Treat. And again it says handmade by Kitty on the back, which I think is super cute. And then this one's so funny. Long time no taco. Again, handmade by Kitty. And then Happy Birthday. It's really nice getting these cards because you like start to collect them and then you have a card for like everything. And then when something comes up and you're like, oh shoot, you know, I need to get the gift ready. You have all the cards already at home. It's so nice. And then I think this is a wedding card. Let's look at this. So there's a skeleton couple there. And then the inside says, congrats on your wedding day. Now you don't have to die alone. That's funny. And then there are, oh yeah, these fine point pencils. Oh, I'm really excited about this, or pens. And you could, they're in this pack here. This is my paper box. And these are the Recon drawing pens, and it comes in red, green, purple, black, and browns. There's 5 of them. You can see the colors right there. I'm super excited about this. I like to write in different colors and not just black, so there's like some contrast on my pages. So I am totally gonna use those. Can't wait. Oh, and here are the like little invitations they were talking about. It's like, you're invited to celebrate with me, Kitty. Join me on blank, at blank. Let's join together and celebrate ourselves and our friendships. A simple gathering of friends to inspire and encourage each other's wishes and dreams. I love that. Oh, and again, look, it's that skeleton with the martini glass. I love that so much. Oh my god, I should have a martini party. Or margarita party. Yeah, would you guys come if I invite you? And then in here you have a bunch of stickers with the themes. So it is super cute. And that is everything. Oh my god, that was so cute. I love the theme. We have a bunch of stickers in here. We have multiple cards. We have a wedding card, a bunch of invites with cute martini. Oh my gosh. The Halloween cards. What I'm really excited about is these like drawing pens. That's awesome. Notepad, the journal, some more stickers, our calendar for the month, a personalized pencil case. Yeah. We have all the holidays, all the information in there. And yeah, that was everything for the grand box. And again, for the mini, we have these 3 notepads, and I'm so psyched about this. This was like my favorite month, I think. This was so good. They've had a lot of good months with it. This might be like my favorite month ever. So yeah, so if you guys want to take advantage of that 20% off subscriptions, One Year Friends. I'll also link the other code I have, but yeah, but anyways, that is everything for this month for October for my paper box. I think it was a great month. Definitely let me know your thoughts down below. Of course, it's going to be linked with the promo codes, and the giveaways will be linked down below. But thank you just so much for being here and unboxing with me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!